guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Welcome back to part 2. Today, we're going to learn about kinematics. Kinematics is how stuff moves. Kinematics are made of joints and links. Links do not move. They're straight things like this right here, this, and this right here. The joints help the links move, like this piston right here. And there's one right here. Now let's do the finishing parts. Okay guys, we're gonna put our pneumatic system in. Let's start with this tube. Pneumatic systems work because of pressure. Now we're going to use pressure of the air. Now let's get this piece right here into the center. Let's make it. There we go. Now let's punch this 30 times. Now hold it while you do it. 1. Look at this, guys. Now I can pick up the cup. Is that awesome? Now let's drop it down. Is that cool, right? This is it. That's it for me tonight. And come back for part 3 and always do science. Bye.